Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Alright, here's a look at the vehicle. We're going to look at the right front door here. It's actually a dent kind of below the mirror is where this would be located on the car. As you can see, it's right there in the reflection. Yep, right there. You can see it pretty good. It's a pretty small one, but the body shop just happened to miss it when they were repainting the panel here, so we went out and took care of it for them. Here's a look at the finished results on this Hyundai. We were able to get this dent out 100% using Paintless Dent Repair, using specialized tools to slowly push the damage back out. Now, even in a body shop presence, they do not want to paint this, or especially repaint it, because of time and cost and factors and whatnot. So they chose us to come and do Paintless Dent Repair for them. Do you have a dent or ding in your vehicle? Give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching.